taking the dog out for a walk. Not lying. Check the date that's from today. Going downstairs right now. Come on. Me and my dog. Wherever he is. But taking out my dog. Come on, Max. My dog. See, there he is. Proof. And beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You don't want to say pee. Got a nice green belt. Okay, we're going down the road. Cat's not there. There's a stray cat over there. It was in the bushes. I think it has the babies. I don't know. But yeah, I'm not gonna show any car license plates. Okay, my dog. There's a water bottle. Hate water bottles. Go there. They're building apartments. Oh, wait. Crap. He edited that out. Calm down, Zocato. No one cares about you. You've done your job already. Okay. My dog. Okay, you want to see that? Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, now you can look at the nice guy not showing any license plates. So, have a date with this guy. You know, I like you back. Going back up the stairs. Come on. Back up, come on. Okay. Up the stairs. 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 Come on. My dog. For a walk. Boom. My dog. Jones. Your apartment. And done.